Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Cardano ADA daily update, so let's see where are we going guys after this major crash we had in the last few hours for Bitcoin and of course for the altcoins. Before we begin, join our monthly subscription. Link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee / MindYourCrypto. You get easy profits with automated signal buying opportunities, personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, and many more benefits. Only 50 people can join in, and of course you can cancel your subscription anytime you like. Also join our Telegram group chat. Link is in the description down below as well. Hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. Let's proceed now quickly to our technical analysis. I have started my Fibonacci retracement from the bottom 22nd June to the top. The reason is I want to find major support levels, and here we are guys at 1.19, around there 1.20. This is our 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, this area right here. Especially if we go beyond the 1.19, then this won't be good because the next support level of the Fibonacci retracement is the 1.11 to 1.10, around there. Okay, so for now guys we are holding strong the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. We are having the volume declining a little bit. Now we had some nice volume right there, but we want to see eventually if we can start our way back up from here or we will fall more down. Okay, so for now we depend a lot on Bitcoin. We will see about that. Let's see the MACD. The MACD here guys is not looking good because we lost our previous support level right here. We lost this support level afterwards, and now we are going all the way down. You can see that we have lost supports and we are making some lower lows. This is what we don't want to make in the MACD, some lower lows and lower highs. Okay, so eventually now what we are hoping for is for a quick return, a quick bullish here return for the blue line, our MACD line, and for the signal line. We need the blue line to go above and cross above the signal line right there. So let's go now to ADA USDT in the 4-hour frame guys. I will remove the drawings right here, and we want to see the RSI. The RSI is in an extremely oversold situation for ADA, same for the commodity channel index, same for the stochastic RSI, so we can't keep going down forever. Okay, so we will find a support level, and especially we will just have a return right there and we will have a swing high soon. But however guys, of course we can go a little bit more down till we get this swing high, but this swing high will be like more than 10%. Okay, so for now I believe that we will have a swing high, but especially we depend a lot about Bitcoin. We will discuss about that later. 3 out of 3 risk metrics are in an oversold situation, therefore we have a buying opportunity according to the risk metrics. Okay, so for now you can see that we had a bearish cross between the 20-day MA and the 50-day MA. 50-day MA has become our resistance level, and now we are dropping all the way down. The 20-day MA again is very close to the price, but you get that we are below, way below the 50-day MA right now. The 20-day MA is way below. We have a significant distance between the 50-day MA and the 20-day EMA. So guys, this means that we are in a bearish moment right here. You can see the price action didn't let us, of course, to believe that we will have a bullish cross right here between the 20-day EMA and the 50-day red line, the 50-day EMA. So let's go now to the daily frame. On the daily frame on the SSL hybrid, we don't have yet a buying opportunity. That is obvious guys. Why? The reason we don't have on the daily frame, and of course guys you can see that on the commodity channel index we are in an oversold situation, right? Extremely oversold situation, but the RSI is still above the 30, so we can correct even more. We will have a swing high though, and we can correct in the future even more. The MACD guys had a bearish cross right here, so it isn't looking good right now. Had a bearish cross, and of course we want to see now eventually how long can we go, how low actually can we go, because if we surpass this and go beyond this support line right here, it's going to be good. But anyway, let's see what we will do, because guys, on bearish crosses we are hoping that we don't get the distance needed, the blue line, to go much lower actually than the signal line. We don't want the blue line to have so further distance with the signal line. We just want a bullish recross here pretty soon. Okay, so for now, the MACD doesn't look good. We had a bearish cross. Stochastic RSI, guys, is in an oversold situation. Same here for the commodity channel index. The only indicator that isn't is the RSI. So we have 5 out of 6 risk metrics on the 4-hour frame and on the daily frame that are in an oversold situation. That's a pretty good number, guys, and we minimize the risk each time we are getting a little bit lower. Let's see the Bollinger Bands. In a normal market, guys, when we approach the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands, we usually have what we call a very good buying opportunity because we approach the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands. And in a normal market, guys, when we do that, we are going to get a swing high pretty soon. You can see that here as well. We found huge buying pressure here as well, and of course a little bit here, but here we had an extremely bearish market back on 22nd June, and you can see how far down we got from the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands. It is the opposite, guys, as when we have an impulsive wave, right? Because if I zoom out, you will see on an impulsive wave, we don't care if we are upon the top line of the Bollinger Bands, right? We are usually going up and up. In a normal market, we care, of course, we are correcting. You can see that again right there also, guys, right here as well. But in an impulsive wave, after, we don't care again. So for Cardano right now, guys, if we are not in such a bearish market, then of course we are in the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands and we are going upwards. Okay, so for now, guys, you can see that the stochastic RSI is in an oversold situation. Let's go a little bit discuss about ADA Bitcoin chart, and you can see that we are upon the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. You can see that we are upon the 0.5. 0.4038 is the price label for that, and if we fall down, guys, we will probably go to the 0.4037. Our next Fibonacci retracement is 0.618. We have one minor support level right there between those Fibonacci numbers, but most likely, guys, we might just go to the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. We'll see about that, though. We need to close below in order to say that we are going down. For now, we are holding the support level. The ADA Bitcoin chart, guys, is in an extreme oversold situation. In the 4-hour frame, you can see all of the risk metrics, including the stochastic RSI, of course, and the commodity channel index, are in an oversold situation. So 3 out of 3 are in an oversold situation. You can see here the MACD is looking a little bit bad because we just went actually beyond the support level right here. Okay, so for now we are looking forward maybe to have a bullish cross between the blue line and the signal line again. Let's go now to the daily frame, and on the daily frame, we don't want the drawings right here. I just want to tell you guys that for now, 2 out of 3 risk metrics are in an oversold situation, but the RSI is still above the 30. So if we get down for the RSI, then, guys, I believe if we go down around there for the 30, then this won't be good. But I believe we won't be going down all the way. We will stop above the previous low right here. Okay, we will stop above this line right there, and of course we are going to outperform Bitcoin. Right, so therefore, guys, it is looking good. The MACD on the daily frame is not looking so good. We are going now to price analysis because I want to stay here a little bit longer. Okay, you can see that Bitcoin right now felt a little bit of a support level in the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. That is good, guys. If we just fall down all the way from the 0.618, then we have the 31,200 around there, guys, around this area right here, 31,000, 31,300 to 31,200 Tether USD, and of course falling down we have the 30,500, which is our 0.786 Fibonacci retracement. So for now, we are hoping that we can get and close above the 0.618 for Bitcoin. It is in an oversold situation for quite some time right now, guys. The commodity channel index, you can see the RSI is not, but it is so close to 30, and of course the stochastic RSI is in an oversold situation. So it will be very good if we start for now pumping up, guys, and going even higher, maybe forming a very nice bullish green candle right there. But for ADA, that would mean, guys, that we might be going upwards. For now, you can see that we have a red 4-hour frame for ADA and the green for Bitcoin because of ADA Bitcoin chart. You can see that we are correcting. The 4-hour frame corrects even more, even though we are in an oversold situation for ADA Bitcoin chart, right? You can see that we are not going upwards, because of ADA Bitcoin chart. We can't outperform Bitcoin. Therefore, even if Bitcoin goes up, ADA stays stable or doesn't move so much. It is when it will start moving when we have a nice bullish 4-hour frame candle right there and we don't correct even more. Right now we won't correct so much, guys. I believe that in the 4-hour frame you can see we are in an oversold situation. So even if we go further down, you can see how low the RSI can go. We will find a very nice shrink high afterwards. Let's go back to where we had this very shrink low right here, guys. There we go, back at on 11 June, 12th June. You can see that we had a very low RSI, but then we immediately went back up and we had a nice 9% for the RSI for ADA Bitcoin chart. Okay, so for now, guys, for ADA, this will mean that ADA Bitcoin chart, if we don't move quickly upwards and find a little bit of buying pressure right here, we will test for ADA Bitcoin chart these lower support levels, and this will mean that it won't move upwards even if Bitcoin will. Okay, so for now we want to see and wait and see till we what we are going to do. But I am optimistic, guys, that we can't keep going down forever. You can see that the 4-hour frame, you can see that the commodity channel index, stochastic RSI are 3 out of 3 risk metrics are in an oversold situation. Therefore, guys, let's say that this is the bottom, right? Let's say that this is the bottom. What are the resistance levels? Because if I go here, guys, and this is the resistance level, the bottom, then we have these resistance levels for ADA, right? The 1.27 around there, 1.31, the 0.382, and you can see the rest. We have one at 1.38. Okay, so for now we are looking forward to these resistance levels in case we just make a huge price pump up right there, but we have to be careful for a little for ADA. We are in an oversold situation right here below 30. Be careful, because if we lose the 0.618, then we might go a little bit down, but you can see in overall we can go and have a significant swing high. We depend a lot on Bitcoin right now, whether this is the bottom or not. On the daily frame, you can see that the 2 out of 3 risk metrics are in an oversold situation, the stochastic RSI and the commodity channel index. The daily RSI is not yet in an oversold situation, of course, and not near an oversold situation. We are at 40 for the RSI, and you can see here the regression trend for Bitcoin, right? You can see that we are near the bottom right there. If this is accurate, we are near the bottom, and of course we might be having a swing high till a little bit lower than the previous one right here, 34,500. Okay, maybe we go to 33,600 or so. Okay, so for now, guys, let's hope that we are having a quick fantastic movement for the ADA above. Now this is the bottom, and we have a swing high around 1.30 or more. For ADA Bitcoin chart, you can see here what happens. And guys, before we close the video, please join our monthly subscription. Link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/MindYourCrypto. You get easy profits. And of course, join our Telegram group chat. Link is also in the description down below. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.